We're motherfucking setting up, yes sir.
We just arrived at the place, you know. It is clean, bro. We're like the only people in a fucking like 50 kilometers radius. So yeah.
The tent is up, my boy.
Hey, come here.
Welcome to my crew.
Wait. So, at the entrance, we've got 3 little lights right there to light it up. You know what I'm saying? Then we got a little sink over here. Stove action. Yes, sir. If you want to cook a little meal inside.
Or some meth.
Bed. Also, pretty interesting thing right there. It's a bed heater. So if you're cold at night, you plug that bitch in and it can heat the bed. Here, this is a table, but it's also a bed. That's my bed, man. But that is actually my bed, man.
Pretty much.
That's pretty much. Oh, I forgot the most important part. Got a little cooler right there.
A little cooler, man.
Yeah, cooler action. Now it should be starting to cool.
A little snack when we pull in, because we just arrived, you know.
Yes, sir.
A little snack.
Good old snackerino.
We got some baguettes. We got some salami. Cheese, my boy.
Like the God sandwich.
Yo, that shit is banging.
Alright, banging.
Hold that thought. Let's mix the bags.
Feo is a fucking lumberjack.
Hell yeah, brother! I move back, brother!
Deuce!
Motherfucker! Hi, motherfucker!
Deuce!
Don't mess with me, brother! See this? This could be you, bitch!
Damn!
Give me more! Come on, brother!
Hell yeah, brother!
Ah, damn!
I missed the bitch.
Fuck! Dang!
That's the one, brother. Yeah! Yeah! Hell yeah, brother!
Yeah, brother, yeah! I'm fiending for some wood!
What? Pause.
Say goodbye to your life!
Hell yeah, brother! Hell yeah, brother!
Can you take me higher? Harmonize! Bam! To a place where private sea. Fuck yeah! If I hit this, I can get a ciggy!
Oh yeah!
For the ciggy!
Deuce!
Bitch!
Damn! Woo-hoo! Hell yeah!
Pumped!
Hell yeah, brother! Hell yeah! What's going on here?
Putting some,
Come on, brother, put it on.
some cream lotion.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at Danik also. Nah, they're creaming up.
Hey, man.
Yeah, I'm creaming up. I'm creaming up. Don't look at me,
Pause.
bro.
Hard, manly work. Masculinity.
Soft hands. You got soft hands.
Yeah.
You got. Look at these hands. Look at these hands. You got soft hands, brother.
Let's go fishing. Let's go fishing, man.
All right.
Hey! Tabarnak.
What the fuck, man?
Nice.
Oh, no. Guys, right now we're at another fishing spot.
Best one yet.
Yeah,
The bridge.
it's beautiful. Would you look at this?
Beautiful river, a lot of flow in the water. All right, Al, what happened?
Ate my worm, but right now I'm seeking revenge. I'm done.
Nah.
No, bro.
Ain't no fish, man.
Ain't no fucking fish.
Look like we ain't gonna eat.
Yo, I caught something.
What the fuck?
I got a branch, bruh.
You got a
Yes,
fucking
sir.
wood
We got
stick.
dinner, boys.
Yes. I guess we ain't eating tonight. Yeah, what the fuck? It's about time we catch some.
Yeah, I think it's due. It's due.
Yeah, it's due.
It's due.
Bro.
Bro, look. I am proud to announce that the fishing was extremely unsuccessful, my brother.
Yeah.
We caught 0 fish, but we got our worms eaten a few times, so we're just shit. It's just a skill issue. We weren't patient enough. Yeah. We just fished for 2 hours.
There is a fucking
Yo, it's Sonic.
porcupine,
Yo,
bro.
my God, Sonic!
Nah, I bet he nuts quick, bro.
Damn.
What's good, bro?
What's up?
What's good, bro?
Too cute. Let me pet him. Can I pet that dog?
All right, we back at the camp, bitch.
We back home, bro.
Do a flip.
Foldable pen. Clang and clickety clang.
What we about to cook with that shit?
Some glizzies.
100,000 glizzies.
Because we got the glizzy gladiator right there.
I'm the glizzy gladiator, guys.
Got the little glizzies going.
Glizzy's action.
Yeah. Yo, guys, look. We got Mega Mind over here,
It's
bro.
Mega Mind.
Looks like a cock. What the fuck?
I'm taking some copper bois to start the fire.
Let's see what the fire's looking like.
Oh, okay.
Needs a little bit more heat. Needs to be drier.
Nice. I think we have a fire.
Woo! Hey.
Fire.
Oh yeah.
Starting.
Let's just take a moment to appreciate like the little camping spot. You feel me?
It's been really nice weather, but now there's mosquitoes and shit, so we protect it.
Yeah,
Protect
we
it.
protect it. Got the hoodies and shit. You feel me? Minecraft in real life. I am Steve.
You know that moment when there's no light in the fucking cave? Ah! The ash is falling on me.
C'est tellement la torche la plus triste que j'ai vue.
Mais c'est quoi qu'il y avait sur la torche, le petit carton?
Ouais, le boulot.
Depuis qu'on prend pas un pas puis on l'invite depuis tant.
My man's is fresh to death.
Ooh,
He got the fresh cut, you know what I'm saying?
He do be having a fresh cut.
That motherfucker blacker than me. Why is that shit so curved, bro?
Fucking.
This is the fucking marshmallow stick of hell. What?
How it's perfect. It's perfectly gonna fall down though.
Funny flake marshmallow. Crispy on the outside.
Wow. Yeah, crispy on the. Oh my.
Oh my god, what the fuck?
Is that, bro? That's bread.
Red Nutella and a marshmallow in the middle.
No.
Marshmallow.
What the fuck?
I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't let go.
Oh, that.
My friends wonder what is wrong with me. Well, I'm in the daze from your love, you see.
Little sausage action, my boy.
Let you know. Got a thing for you.
Time the sleeping bag.
We straight chilling.
Oh yeah.
Yo, I'm so comfortable right now,
Oh,
bro.
I'm so comfortable too.
Yeah, we about to go to sleep soon, you feel me? We getting kind of sleepy and shit. Good night, y'all.
BB out. Peace out.
Good morning, baby. What the fuck, bro?
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine.
Good morning, baby girl.
Good morning, baby girl. We slept. I slept good. What about you, Fayo?
I slept amazingly.
Nice.
It smells like good.
Some good old bread action, my boy.
Yo, hey, we got the rustic ass motherfucking toaster.
Yes, sir.
What you know about that toaster,
Oh,
man?
that toaster is so ghetto.
Ooh.
But it works. So
It do be toasting.
Just Just waking up in the morning, gotta thank God. I don't know, but today seems kinda odd. No barking from the dog, no small. And mama cooked the breakfast with no hog. I got my grub on, but didn't dig out. Finally got a call from a girl I wanna dig out. So hooked it up for later as I hit the dough. Thinking, will I live another 24? I gotta go, cause I got me a drop top. And if I hit the switch, I can make the ass drop. Had to stop at a red light, looking in my mirror, not a jacker in sight. And everything is alright. I got a beat from Kim, and she can fuck all night.
Alright. Well, that was it. I hope y'all enjoyed it.
Yeah.
We sure as hell did enjoy it. Did you enjoy it, Al?
I enjoyed my time. That was amazing.
Did you enjoy it, Marco?
That shit was fire, bro. It was very nice.
Did you enjoy it,
It
Danik?
was insane, crazy night.
It was super enjoyable, guys. Yes, sir.
Going to the function. I'm not with my bitch, we live in this function. Drink the pain away, I ain't got no option. It's just life, we be rolling up the toxins.